Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. Now today I'm going to be doing a big Primark haul for you. I absolutely freaking love Primark. I've been getting ready for kind of the spring summer season, so I've got a few bikinis, a few like outfits going on, and lots of shoes. So I thought I'd share with you guys. If you guys have been here before and haven't done already, please click on the subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me, and make sure that you don't miss a thing that I talk about every single week. So let's get started. Let's start off with some clothes. So the first thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is this amazing little number. This is actually a workout top. Look at the really cool back. It says earn it. Love that. So it's kind of like a racer style back, lime green, and then it's just really kind of loose fitting and black all the way down. It's quite sheer, so oh, cheeky, bit see-through. And this was £5. Bargain. Love that for a workout. I use those all the time, and I'm going to be running the Race for Life this year, so I want stuff to train in, stuff to also run in that I don't really mind if it gets wrecked. So that would be really good. Race for Life, I'm doing the pretty muddy, so I'll get pretty muddy, as you can imagine. Then I got 3 pairs of jeans. I got the, I think they're called the High Rise Super Skinny, something like that. No, Super High Waist Skinny, and they're super stretchy. So they're really stretchy. They look tiny actually, but I can guarantee you I'm not that small. So they're just really super skinny but super stretchy, almost like jegging style, and they were £10. Now I love these so much that I got 3 pairs because they're so lightweight. I wear them a lot during the spring and summer anyway. In this country it's not always that hot, so I got like a dark blue, then I got a black pair, and then I also got a lighter blue pair, so you can kind of see hopefully the difference between all of those. Anyway, I'm going to be using those a lot this season, so I love those and they're super comfortable. Then I got this scarf, which is £5. Look how pretty it is. It's like really kind of like, I'm going to Morocco soon, and I thought that would be perfect to sort of wear there. Do you love that kind of style pattern? Isn't it pretty? So I'm going to be wearing that loads. Love a bit of scarfage. And then the last bit of clothing that I got was actually a jumpsuit, and I'm going to show you this wearing this full length because otherwise it's going to make absolutely no sense. But basically it's just a kind of really light, lovely cotton sort of fabric, and it's just short sleeves, kind of goes in the waist because it's got a nice little waist belt, and it's quite baggy actually around the trousers, and quite a bit of a rude boy cut going on the old, you know, butt line. So I'm going to be repping that when I go abroad. I kind of like to get my holiday clothes in early, otherwise I just find that they absolutely just sell out. I love this colour as well. Blue on me just suits me really well, so I love that. Then moving on, let's go on to bikinis and underwear. So let's start off with some bikinis. I've got loads. So I kind of robbed a few from my sister. She did a haul recently, and I've gone out and bought the same things because that's what we do. So this one, first of all, neon. This is £6, and I absolutely love this. It's got a kind of halter neck, or you can wear it strapless. What I love about this, I had one last year, the bra clasp kept snapping and it was so annoying I had to end up tying it. So this year they brought out a tie back, yay! So I love that, that's super pretty. And bottoms wise, I'm actually mixing and matching here. I went for these kind of style bottoms. I thought they were really cute with the little zips on, and those ones are £5. I've just realised as well, I've got those in a size 6. So that could be interesting on the beach. Might have to exchange those for a slightly bigger size, as I'm definitely not a 6. Anyway, forget that one. Moving swiftly on. Then I got this bikini. Again, exactly the same, but just strapless and beautiful turquoise. Really nice, and the matching bottoms. It's got like a white lace going on over the top. Really liked that. And then that's the back. There you go. Loving those. And then I also got, to go with those first original bottoms, this little number. It's very like frilly, that's what I'm thinking of. Again, strapless, but it's also got lots of support as well, so I really liked that. This one has got a bra clasp, but I'm hoping it will hold up. And then it can also go over your shoulders as well, over your neck even. That was a really pretty colour, especially with a tan. I'll be loving that. Then moving on to underwear. Okay, I've got some really lovely sets. So first of all, sorry, how much was that one? That was £8, that other pink one. The turquoise ones, £4 for those, bargain, and £6 for the top. Amazing. Underwear wise, you guys are gonna love these. Look at this balcony bra, isn't it beautiful? It's neon pink, I absolutely love it, and this one is £9. I love Primark underwear because it lasts me so long, and honestly, I don't think that you actually need to pay a lot more to get really good quality, so this is great. I love the balcony bit to it as well, it's really, really flattering. I have, from losing a bit of weight over the years, I'm up to 6.5 stone now that I've lost in total. I will do a weight loss video for you guys, like an update, don't you worry. But I do have like a roll of kind of excess skin going on, so this is nice and flattering because it kind of helps to hide that, so that's always good. And then to match, I got the matching pants, and these are just in medium. Well, you didn't need to know that. They're £3. Hey everyone, look at how big my hips are. So they were £3, bargain, love those. Then as another set I got, oh, these are just incredible. £2.50 for a pair of pants. I mean, this is just unbelievable. If you guys haven't been to Primark, go and get your underwear from there. It's so good. Okay, so this one is kind of like a turquoisey sort of like, no, it's not really turquoise. This is like a kind of mint green, I would say, and it's got pink in. Really pretty plunge bra, and again, it's got the pink straps on, £6, and then £2.50 for the matching bottoms. Oh yes. I'm very much a thong girl, or like a hipster kind of style, lacy kind of hipster. I don't like big granny pants, they just don't suit me. So anyway, that's my kind of style. And then the last bra that I got was this one. Again, super pretty. This is more like balcony sort of t-shirt, or my style one. Just a nice pretty grey one, and this one is £6 I think, yeah, £6. And the matching pants to that. Oh, they're so pretty, and this one is £2.50. Bargain. Love those. Love a bit of grey. Also because I tan as well, I kind of like to go for different colours. Also then, just randomly, I saw these kind of on the floor. Well, not on the floor, they were on the side. That sounds disgusting. I didn't pick them up off the floor. Anyway, they're doing 3 pairs of thongs for £2.50. Who doesn't love that? So you've got kind of different colours like mint, green, white, and then pink in one set, and then more kind of bold colours in this one, so blue, orange and yellow. £2.50 for like 3 pairs of pants. Amazing. Love Primark so much. Okay, next let's go on shoes, because I've got a lot of stuff, so I want to keep rattling through. So shoes wise, everything's got in a bit of a mess, because you know what Primark's like, they actually elasticate everything. We must elasticate you so no one will steal you, but you are annoying. Anyway, I could have taken it off, but I didn't. So how pretty are these? Mind the elastic, I'm definitely not going to be walking with those, especially after a few drinks, I'll be on the floor. But they're like little peep toe ones, and they're so pretty. So your feet come through here, and then you've got this kind of backless sort of heel, and then inside here is a little tie, so you basically can tie them up your leg, or to be fair, I think I'll just kind of tie them around my ankle. So I won't be going absolutely crazy, I'll probably just tie a little bow. So I absolutely loved those, so much so, those are like a kind of nude sort of minky suede colour, so much so that I also got them in black, so they're literally exactly the same in both colours. Okay, next, this is stepping out of my comfort zone a bit, guys, because I always say I never wear these, and actually I thought, you know what, I'm going to bite the bullet, I'm going to get some, but I don't want to spend super loads amounts on them in case I don't like them. So I went first of all for some black plimsolls. Oh yes, nice and chilled. Now I actually took the price off for these, but I think they're about £6, so they were still very, very cheap. They are just very comfortable and a bit boyish kind of for me, because I normally wear heels and stuff, but I really like them, they're super comfy. I also got Converse style, some white ones. How cool are these? But they're actually like Converse-y kind of style. Sorry, I keep looking at the screen, but I'm just hoping you guys can see them. Anyway, so then they've got like blue lining, love those. Then moving on to some accessories, I've got a couple of accessories. First of all, who doesn't love a good flower headband? £2.50. I'm going to be rocking this summer. Thumbs up if you like it now. Go! If you like that face, go! Anyway, jokes. £2.50. Great. And then this is £5. Again, quite Moroccan style, I kind of thought. How pretty is that? That was the same place I got my scarf from. So really nice kind of blues and whites and golds and reds in there. Really pretty colours, and a hair just for added extra. I think that's one of the dog hairs from the floor. Nice. And there you go. Going to be wearing that a lot. Looks like I've got some crazy moustache going on there. Imagine. Oh, I love this. You could even wear it on my head. Anyway, possibilities are endless. Love that. Now, it's my Primark haul for you guys. Give it a massive thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Of course, if you've been to Primark and you bought something exciting yourself, then please comment below. Let me know. Should I go back and buy some more stuff? And definitely, I think I should go and change those bottoms, those bikini bottoms, or I will be looking horrific around the pool and no one wants to see this butt being crammed into some size 6. Anyway, so I will see you guys in a few days' time in my next video. Bye, guys! That one. But anyway, I quite like it because the guy's one is silver as well. I mean, to be fair, you could just switch it up and just give anybody these colours, but I think it's a really nice idea. And also they did his and his as well, so, but I've lost those. I don't know where they are.